everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. It is by Lookfantastic. It is a brand new subscription that I have been subscribed to for about 4 months now. And this is the second video I've done for this unboxing. And so far I have been really enjoying this box by Lookfantastic. Here's their box right here. It says birthday on it. So it's their birthday this month. I believe I read that this is their 4th year of doing the subscription box. Lookfantastic, it is a company out of the UK. And lately I've been getting a lot of things from the UK. They have been really coming out with great products. Especially the advent calendars, the beauty advent calendars. I did a video on some of the ones that are coming out soon, and I'll link that video down below. And Lookfantastic is doing their advent calendar, and it's pretty much, for me, I think it's one of the great ones for a really good price. You can pre-order it now, but it will come out on October 1st for the beauty advent calendar. But enough about that. Let me let you know about the price of the subscription. I'm going to look here so I make sure I say it right. If you get a 1-month subscription, it is $19.50. But I want you to keep in mind that if you do get the 1 month, it's not a one-time purchase. It's going to be recurring. So you need to pay attention to that. 3 months, it's $19. Again, if you get it for 3 months, after the 3 months is over, they will still charge you for another 3 months for $19. The 6 month is $18, and the 12 month, that's the one that I got, I will be billed $17 a month. So for me, it was cheaper to get the 1 month subscription since they do the recurring one. So it makes sense to do it that way. So this one is for the month of September, and let's go ahead and see what's in here. It comes in a really nice sturdy box. I mean, I could probably reuse this box for a birthday. Even though it says Lookfantastic, the person who you're giving it to, you know, hey, you look fantastic. Happy birthday. Okay, let's go ahead and open this here. And on the lid, it says another year older and more fantastic than ever. All right, here's what it looks like when you open it. It comes with a little booklet here to let you know about the products that are in here. And on the back of this booklet, it does tell you what's going to be in next month's box. And as you can see, it's going to be this product here by Ahava. So next month's box is going to be called Hidden Gems, and this is going to be one of the products that's in here, and this is a mineral body lotion. And also in here, it comes with an Elle magazine. You know, I probably won't read this. I think they could probably save their money and save the recycling and not put this in here, but that's just me. That's just me. All right, let's go ahead and open this. All right, I can see here a little excitement here for the Christmas advent calendar. It's a little bonus thing. All right, a little disclaimer here. I did take this little card out. I didn't see the products in here yet. I just took this card out because if you subscribe to this beauty box, Lookfantastic will give you 20% off the advent calendar. And it has a code here, which it's a personalized code. It's for, I believe it's every box has their own code. And I went ahead and got it, and when I put in the code, it did not work. So I called them up, and they were able to do it over the phone, over email, and I was able to get 20% off. I can't share the code because each one has their own code. Mine didn't work, but it worked out at the end. I can't wait to get the beauty advent calendar and do the unboxing for you guys. I'm just going to have fun. There's going to be a lot of unboxing videos coming up on this channel, so I hope you don't mind. If not, no worries. No need to watch if that's not your thing. Believe me, it's okay. All right, let's go ahead and see what is in here. First product here is Mane and Tail. This is the hand and nail therapy. A little bottle of this. Here's what it looks like. Now, I did see in the beauty advent calendar that they will be carrying 2 products in here from Mane and Tail. I believe it's going to be shampoo and conditioner. So now we have a hand and nail lotion. All right, let me show you here what's in this box. It does have little shiny tinsel in here, so I'm going to try not to make a mess. Too late. Okay. Yeah. All right. Next product here, it's from a brand, Philip Kingsley, the Elasticizer. A nice size tube. Let me look at the pamphlet and see what it says about this product. Read this here. This is an elasticizing factor of this shampoo treatment. Smooths each strand to incredible silkiness. Improves the suppleness of your hair, stretchability, strength, and shine while leaving it softer, less brittle, beautiful, manageable, and lustrous. Okay, can't wait to try this one. All right, here we have an oil. It's a bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. That's really nice. Let's see, Revive Morning. I believe that's the scent. Oh, that smells so good. That will wake you up. Oh, that smells so good. Let me see what it says here in the pamphlet. Some of these brands I haven't heard of before because this is a company out of the UK. It's nice to get brands that you haven't heard of before to try it, and that's what I really do like about this box from Lookfantastic. They have great brands, and I think it's a great price. All right, so this shower oil, it says, make your bath or shower time even better with this luxurious bath and shower oil by Aromatherapy Associates. This month you'll have either received the lavender and peppermint or the Revive Morning Bath and Shower Oil. Both allow you to indulge in a moment of peace and experience the invigorating powers of aromatherapy. Very nice. Very nice. All right, here you have a little box here by Aroma Visca. I believe that's how you say it. The Ultra More Mud Mask. A little sample of this. Let me open it up. Here it is right here. Oh, that smells very clean. Can't wait to try this. You all know I love masking, and mud masking is very nice. Let me see what it says about this one. Detox, cleanse, and revive your skin with this mask that works to purify, energize, and define the contours of your face. Using a range of anti-aging benefits, this clay mask expertly hydrates and protects your skin as it works deeply to lift and brighten your complexion. All right, looks like delicately perfumed violet sweets. Okay, that's really nice. We got some candy in here. Kind of reminds me of that candy, back in the 70s, 80s. Can't remember the name of it. Oh my gosh, but it kind of looks like that. Can't smell anything though. But all right, we got some candy. Okay, we have a pencil here from Lord & Berry. It's a strobing pencil. Okay, here's what it looks like right there. It says here, add a supple glow to your skin with this pink highlighting pencil. Okay, so it's a highlighter. Never tried anything like that. Ooh, that is a pretty highlighter. Hope you can see that. That's really nice. All right, here, the last product here, it's by Eve Lom, one of my favorite cleansing balms. And it does come with its cloth, which is really nice. I love this cleansing balm. This is what I use for my first cleanse to get my makeup off, and I use the cloth. So I'm really excited about this. And it's a nice travel size. I've been traveling a lot lately, so this will come in handy. This size right here and this cleansing cloth. So very happy with this box. Very happy. The candy is kind of different. I've never gotten candy before in a box, so this is going to be nice. Yeah, I do like this box. It does have great products in here, and for the monthly subscription of $17, you're getting really good brands. Brands that I've heard of before and brands that I haven't heard of before that I'd like to try. It's always good to try. And if you don't like it, it's a good sample size. You're not wasting too much money of your money. You don't have to get it, but at least we're trying different products and learning new things. I've been really happy getting this box. The only thing is probably the magazine. I don't read Elle magazine. That's not my demographic. Probably give it to my daughter, or when I go to the dentist, just kind of, put it in the tape in the waiting room there. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing of the Lookfantastic Beauty Box. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.